In this video, we are going to be looking at how to make $100 by just copy and pasting. Yes, I mean just copy and pasting. Believe it or not, it's working for people. So if you want to start, you have to start it right now. Hi, what's good? This is Nana Did It. I'm here to help you amplify your business and brand through video as well as making money online. Please, if you are new here, you want to subscribe to my channel today. Also hit hard on the like button until it turns blue. Let's jump right into the video. First thing I want you to know is that don't skip any part of this video. Why? Because I'm taking you through it. I'm taking you through it step by step, how you can do it and make it work. I don't want you to skip and then come to the comment box and ask questions of what I've already dealt with. All right, so let's jump into it right now. Now, first thing, what you're going to do is that you are going to go to YouTube. So open your browser like this, and then come and type YouTube. Now I'm not going to waste your time. I want us to do it real quick. All right, so you go to YouTube, you click on it like this, it comes this way. Now there are a lot of videos you want to do. We are going to copy and paste videos. All right, there are a lot of videos you would want to copy and paste. All right, but most of the times, always, I keep saying, you would want to make sure that the video you are picking are videos that a lot of people are interested in wanting to watch. All right, so let's say let's just type maybe funny, because a lot of people like to laugh. All right, so I just type funny here, and then these are a lot of funny videos, but you can't use these. You are going to be in trouble. So what you're going to do, you want to make sure that you are getting videos that can be used, that you would not have any problems with. So you come here, you come to the filters, you come here, you click on it like this, and then you come straight here to Creative Commons. All right, Creative Commons, and then you click on it. Now these are videos that are free, you can use. All right, so you look through it, the one you want to choose. Let's say this is 7.6 million 2 years time ago. All right, this one is 72k, this one is 80, this one is I want to pick this one. So we are going for the chicken versus dog fight. Very funny, I know. All right, then you click on it like this. I'm trying to be fast, and so I need you to follow me. You click on it, you pause it. You don't necessarily have to watch it. All what we want is to get the video. So the next thing you're going to do is to come to the top here, and then come and copy the link. Control C. So you copy the link, or you right click and then you copy the link. Now the next thing you are going to do is that you have to download the video. Now you're going to open a new tab like this, and then type YouTube video download. YouTube video download. Yes, then you click on it. Now you see it comes this way. You can choose any of this, but I want to choose this one, the middle one, the YT something. Then you click on it like this. Then this is where you are going to paste your link to download it. So you paste your link, the link you copied in the YouTube Creative Commons. You copy it, and then you come and paste it here, and then you click on convert. Now, so it has converted the link. You would want to click on get link. All right, you click on it, then but before that, yes, I think that's just okay. Then you click on download. Now when you click on the download, your video start downloading here. So my video is done downloading here. I don't know if you can see it now. So immediately your video is done downloaded. The next thing you want to do is to open a new tab. Like this, and then you come and type rumble.com. Okay, so I need you to follow. Don't skip. If you skip, you won't get it. So just follow, as this is just a quick video I'm doing with you now. So on this site, this is the rumble.com. Now this is just like a YouTube okay, like Google and everything, where you can, it's a search engine where you search for whatever you want. but this is not a popular site. So they are trying to compete with YouTube. The reason why they are going to pay you when you upload videos is because they are not really known like that. And so they are paying people to upload videos. Unlike YouTube, you are posting your videos and they think it's a platform they are giving you to post and showcase your video. But the difference between the YouTube and this one is that when you post your video, you are going to earn money on it. All right. So when you come, look at this video. When you come, you see it. You see this video has earned $24.15. All right. This video have earned $24.15. When you come here, this video has earned $7.37. So they are plenty like that. This one to $4.8, and that is that. Then the next thing you're going to do here is that you are going to upload. Okay, you are going to upload the video you downloaded. Okay, but before you'll be able to upload, you have to sign in as a register. Okay, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to come here and click on create Rumble account now. Okay, I have already registered. That's why it has my initials on it. That's how it has my password and everything. But for the sake of this tutorial, I want us to do it together. Then you click on it like this. Then most people, I need you to pay attention to this place. Most people, when you open it like this, you see that it's on the business. This, when you put it here, you are not getting any money. Okay, you are not getting any money. Where you get money is between this and this, but this one you would have to pay some monies for it, and you don't need that because we are looking for money. So you just come here straight, click on the free account, and make sure it has the ad supported there. Okay, then you create your account. Now when you are done with creating your account, of course you would need to verify it in your email. I've done those already. You need to verify your account in your email. Okay, the next thing right now, so right now you are in your account right now. The next thing you want to do, you want to upload the video. Now when you click on the upload, when you receive a message will pop up for you to verify your number. Listen very carefully. You need to verify your number. A message, I've already done that. That's why they are not asking me. But a message will come for you to verify your number before you can upload. So the only thing you're going to do is that you key in your number, and they are going to send you a code on your phone. Then you put the code there to verify your number. That is where you can have this page like this. Now, so on this page, you just come here and click on it like this. This is where we are going to upload our videos. Then you come to downloads, because we just downloaded a video and it's in downloads. You click on it like this, open it. Now when you open it, it's loading right now. Now you see, so right now what you want to do is that you want to add titles to it and description. The best thing you can do is just go to YouTube, and then where you pick the video from, and then copy the title. It's as simple as that. You don't have to waste your time. Copy the title like this. Oh, what is wrong with this? So just copy the title like this, copy it, and then come to the upload and then put it here. Just that you can change it a little bit so that it doesn't look like, okay, you can change it a little bit. You see, title is already associated with other media. Okay, so you can do it. You can change it, dog, maybe chicken versus dog, serious fight or something. All right, so serious fight. Okay, then you clean this side, and then you come to, you write OMG, like, you understand that? Then the description too, you can come, and you don't want to waste time. All right, you can come to the description and then copy this, bring it back here, and then put it here. The reason why you are putting description is for, okay, so this one too also says that somebody has already taken it. So you just say serious fight. You just click serious fight. All right, just to add changes to it. Serious fight. Trust me, a lot of people are doing this to make money. All right, now so you come on it like this, then here you choose your thumbnail. I would advise that you make sure you choose a thumbnail that is visible for people to see. So maybe you click on this one, or if you want to go to the extra mile, you can create your own thumbnail on your device and then add it to it. Now they said the tags are optional. Listen to me, it is not. These are very important. It is very important you put it there. They've written optional, but it is not. Your tags are what people search for. So if you have a lot of tags, like maybe funny, and you bring comma, you space bar, and then you type video, and you come here, you type happy. So anybody who comes to type anything like that on Rambo, or your video has a chance of appearing. All right, then you come to upload, then you click on the upload. Now this is the page that will come. All right, you would want to, let's look at this, your license option. Look at it. It says that you are assigning exclusive rights management for your video to Rambo Incorporated, something. You would want to just choose this one. Let's not waste time on this. I don't want to waste your time. You just choose it, and then you additional video information, you put your informations and stuff, and then you click on it here, you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you submit it. All right, now that is how to upload videos to this site. Now you see, look at it, upload, share your video. Now this is a quick tip I want to show you right now. This is a direct link. You can copy it. Okay, you can copy it. One way, you can leave your videos on it like that and people will come and watch, but that is a slow way. But the one fast way to get a lot of money is when you copy the link and you come to your social media handles, either Facebook, anywhere, you put the link there, you put descriptions for people to click on it, for you to have a lot of views as soon as possible for you to get your money. It's very simple, right? All right, so that is just that for this video. You people, there are a lot of people, I'm telling you, there are a lot of people doing this out there, and they are making money on daily basis. So if you want to really make money, take your time and go through this and do it, and then you are going to thank me later. Right, so if you found value in this video, you would want to give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm to push the video for a lot of people to also see it and help their family. And also, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that the next time my video comes up, you are first to know and also first to make money out of it. See you in the next video.